Today is Tuesday, January 21st. Had to look at the date. Yesterday was Trump's inauguration, and everyone was happy. And so the president said during his speech, acceptance speech, said that he's going to repeal the ban on gas cars. And he was very adamant about it, and that's a big thing. Because he was so adamant about the energy policy, he said that America was going to be the state of gasoline, and we were going to be the top producer of any country. And he was saying, drill, drill, drill. And that's a big thing for Corvette owners, because most Corvette owners love gas cars and don't mind paying the gas guzzler tax because the car is so great and that people are in love with the car. And so that's a big win for Corvette owners. That's it for the Corvette Journal on Tuesday, January 21st, 2025. Thank you. Bye.